Right, so to start collaborating in J2E5, we'll just, once we've logged into Hub, we'll just go into our J2 launch area. So we're going to open up a J2E5 document, and the first thing I have to do is I have to give it some content and save it. And I'm going to call it my collaboration. Okay, now I can save it. That's quite important because it has to exist on the system, so I'm going to call it that as well. And there it is, save that. Okay, and now I'm in a position to share it for collaborative working with one or more other people. And so I come to the share icon here, and it's by default, it's a worksheet, so I want to make it a collaborative document, and this is where I can share it now, as usual, as you do it. You know, you can either choose from here, or if you know the J2E username of the person, which is always listed in the corner here, then you can just type in that. So I'm going to put test. I'm going to start typing test. Here we are, because I know this works, because I know Matthew set up a load of test pupils for each class. So I'm going to share this with the Year 5 test account. Okay, and I click on add. Okay, and I'm going to keep save ticked here, which means that both of us working on it are able to save. When you're saving collaboratively, it's more important than ever really to save regularly. Okay, so there we are. I've put that on, and if we go across now to the other account there, here, which is logged in now with that test account, and if I open J2E there, if I go into the My Files area now, and if I go to Shared Files, so I noticed there we are, there's been saved with just me. This is a folder for things that have been shared with just me, and there is the My Collaboration file. Okay, so we can go ahead and open that, and we can click on Edit. Now then, coming across back to the original one now, one thing I forgot to mention was it's always good to kickstart the collaboration properly once you've named and saved your file, is to close it and reopen it. Okay, for some reason it kickstarts the sharing process. Okay, you can see now that it's 2 viewers has popped up there, and if we click on there we can see it's Year 5T and me, and on the other screen it's me and Chris P. Okay, so we can see now we're active and collaborating.